In Japan, they have this practice called Kintsugi, and it's when pottery or ceramics break, they don't just throw them away. What they do is they actually get the broken pieces and mend it back together. They don't try to hide the cracks with a bunch of glue or make it in a way where no one would ever know it happened. But what they do is they actually mend it back together and they have the cracks be visible. The philosophy is pretty simple. It's not that the cracks make it ugly. What it does is it actually shows that this piece had some history. It has a soul. And at 48, I'm starting to realize I have a lot in common with these ceramics. I used to think that by this age, I should be a finished product. Smooth, unblemished, successful in all the ways that the world expects. But the truth is, my life has been a series of breaks, career shifts, creative blocks, moments where everything I built felt like it shattered on the floor. But looking back, it was the mending that built me. All these little cracks, all these little details. Every time I had to pick up the pieces, that was where the strength came from. Those gold seams, those are my lessons. Those are what I learned in my 48 years of life. So for most of my life, I've spent my time trying to be perfect, trying to hide all the cracks, trying to hide all the flaws, when in reality, that's the majority of my life. There's been a lot of times things didn't go right, and there's a lot of times that continuously I try to show up, but in reality, there's so many things I try to hide. I know for most of us, we want to show up in the best light possible, but in the reality of things, sometimes that's hard. And when you put your life out there for people to judge, especially making videos like this, you can understand why it's so difficult. When it comes down to ceramics, if I were a bowl, I wouldn't be a brand new piece. I would have a lot of fractures and cracks and just things that I'm ashamed of, blemishes. That's why I continuously document my life, to see my progress and just see how this is all going to come back together. I know that it's not going to be perfect. When I put the pieces back, I know at the end of the day, what I'm building is something better than before, something with history, something with flaws, and something that depicts my reality. I wish I could be perfect. I've just come to the point where I accept that in my life, that I'm not going to be perfect. I'm never going to be that model ceramic that you buy firsthand in the store. I'm something that had to be pieced together to make it this way. So I think for me, my plan is to just continuously keep on making these videos, continuously just try to grow. And I hope that I can somehow piece it all back together and become in a better place than I once was. I know that with these videos, for so long I wanted them to be perfect. I don't think I've made a perfect video ever in my life. I think with all of that too, it's like me trying to get all my past experience, all the artwork I've ever done in my life, and somehow piece it back together into this person that can do these things that he may not be able to do now. I mean, there's a lot of pieces in my skill set that are missing. If you're thinking about doing anything like this, or there's something in your life that's stopping you because you don't have the perfect camera, you don't have the perfect microphone or something like that, maybe you're just on a cell phone, really, none of that even matters. You always hear it, but I'm genuinely telling you, to tell you the truth, right now, I was embarrassed to shoot on this camera because let me tell you when it was made. The camera that I'm shooting on is the Canon M5. It was released in 2016, and now we're in 2026. It's like all these people have cameras that are 4K that cost several $1000s. And for me, I bought this thing used. I could continuously try to find excuses why my videos don't do well, why I'm not perfect. But the fact is, I never will be. I'll never have the best. I never will be the best. And that's okay. It's okay to just be this object. Broken pieces, fractures and all. If you're thinking about showing up, you're thinking of doing anything like this, just do it. There's never a better time than today. I get it though. You're scared. I'm scared. I'm still scared. I've done hundreds of videos, but still, this is all still new to me because every day is a new experience. Every single video I make is a new lesson to be learned. I mess up every single time. And it's okay to be a mess up. I'm good at it. I guess the real question though is, when you do mess up, what do you take from it? When all these broken pieces are laying on the ground, do you just leave them there? Or are you going to mend them back together piece by piece and try to become better? Not the same, just better. I'm shooting on a kit lens with an ND filter because honestly, for most of my life, I didn't have money for like $1,000 lenses. And I have another lens that's manual focus, but you know what? I suck. So many times it's out of focus. So it's a kit lens, it's embarrassing, but I still show up. But I have a question for you too. Who says kit lenses suck? I mean, for what I do, I don't know. Is it, I feel like maybe I don't know what I'm doing because I don't really feel like the kit lens sucks that bad. Actually, I don't even think it sucks at all. Like, you want some blurriness out here? I've been shooting on an action camera every day and there's no blurriness. There's no bokeh. But I'm no expert. This is why the city can't make nice things.